The Physics Education Technology website, or phet.colorado.edu, was a project created and funded to originally create interactive exploratory simulations for physics courses. And if I scroll here a little bit, we can see that there are lots of other subjects now available, as well as instructor resources. You can register completely for free to create an instructor account to give you access to some activities that other instructors have created. So you could go to the teaching link here at the top and browse activities, share your own activities. And then we can look at the simulations. There are simulations organized by subject, and I prefer to use the HTML5 based simulations. And whenever you're in any of these particular subjects, they will organize them based on format. Some of these old simulations are Java based or Flash based, and a lot of the newer browsers now like Chrome and Firefox don't support those formats anymore. So really would prefer to focus on the HTML5 based simulations. Now I'll go ahead and pick one here just to illustrate what these typically look like. I'll pick the balancing act simulation. Once you choose this simulation, you could just click to play the simulation. But just to show you, here's an about description of the learning goals. There are 4 teacher activities. This is a short video that shows you what the simulation is and how you might utilize it. And then here are some activities that instructors have created and uploaded for your use. There are translations into other languages. There are some related simulations that might go with or pair with a particular chapter or learning lesson related to this simulation. Now if I just click on this simulation for a moment to show you as one example what these interactive simulations look like. So this particular simulation has a introduction, so you can play with, kind of explore, play around. I can put weights on this balance beam. I can see where I might need to place these weights in order to balance them. Let me pull that one off, and that is balanced. I can look at rulers to get a little bit more measurement. I could just look at marks, talk about the forces. I can level the object. And then once I've played around, I can go to the balance lab. So this becomes a game. So I can place weight here. I can place another weight here, and then I can say, check if I did that correctly, and I didn't in this case. And then this simulation also has a game where you can go through that same type of aspect of, did I balance it correctly? Now, educational research shows that free play is an excellent way for students to explore and discover. Research also further shows that scaffolded activities that direct the students through a particular learning experience that also provides reflection is a much better, more effective teaching experience. So that is what is excellent about these teaching activities that are available for you, so that you are not having to start from scratch and create your own. You can explore, download, and even alter and edit for your purposes. So in summary, the phet.colorado.edu website is a huge resource of interactive and exploratory simulations for many STEM topics.